All right. This technique for dividing fractions is called the supergiant one. So what we do is we take 3/4 divided by 2/5, and we write it as a superfraction, which means a fraction made up of two fractions. So this is 3/4 divided by 2/5. Well, then we're going to multiply it by a supergiant one, which is just a bigger giant one than we normally deal with. And we want that to equal something over 1. Well, to multiply 2/5 by something and get 1, I have to multiply by its reciprocal, which is 5/2. So then I take 3/4 and I'm going to multiply that by 5/2. So when I multiply through, I get 15 over 8. With that over the 1, that's just 15/8. Or if you want a mixed number, that's 1 7/8. Now, the thing I like about this technique is it leads into the traditional way we were all taught how to do this. Because if you look at just the top of this and you ignore the bottom of the supergiant one, it's the multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction you're dividing by, which is the traditional way we teach this. Some of you use the phrase keep, change, flip, which is okay, but it's not my favorite thing in the world. So this, as you can see, when I take out all the extra stuff to model 3/4 divided by 2/5, it's 3/4 times the reciprocal of the fraction after the division, which gives me 15/8. So the supergiant one explains the mathematics behind what we traditionally taught, or what your teachers called keep, change, flip. You can use any of these three techniques to do the rest of the problems.